Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Momina and I'm here today to join the session that is the product design and development. So through e-commerce we can easily produce our product and can easily avail the opportunity to sell it to all over the world. That the most important part that I love is about that they promote the products that are made by Pakistan but sell all over the world. So this initiative is very good for the universe also, and they are working with Alibaba. So through this session we can easily promote and design our products, and we can easily avail the opportunity to sell our product all over the world. So this is very informative session for me and for as well for all the students. So thanks for the loop and Ma'am Faiza for taking this initiative. Thank you so much.